Hello, welcome to um, Virgo Philippines. So, reading natin to for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Ano po ito ha? Kapalaran sa pera, career. Take only what resonates. Ayan, wait lang, ayusin ko yung camera. Ayan. Para sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, so sa ngayon, medyo marami akong time. Punta ka doon sa TikTok, isasend ko yung, doon ka na lang mag-inquire. Okay? Personal reading mula sa akin. Okay? For Virgo. Limited time offer lang yan, guys. Masyado akong busy eh. Yung iba alam na nila yon kung ano yung mga pinagagawa ko. So marami pang pinagkakaabalahan. Love affair, and you do have here come together. Pagdating sa situation mo regarding money, I feel like there's a lot of change, no? But I feel like may mga taong involved dito sa changes na ito. And there's a person here na maaring laging nandyan to help you. I feel like a lot of people, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng, eto isama natin yung usaping relationship, usaping love, no? Dito lumalabas ngayon yung mga taong totoong nagmamahal sa'yo. Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may another person pa na parang maybe a friend or a family. Dito lumalabas ngayon, no? Maybe may mga iniisip na paglayo or paglipat, no? Yung iba sa inyo in the coming future. So, pwedeng pinag-iisipan na nagkakaroon ng pagpaplano, or ito na yung time na parang may mga pag-iisip regarding sa kung ano ba talaga yung importante, ano ba talaga yung makakapagpasaya, ano ba talaga yung um, maybe searching already, no? Yung iba pwedeng naghahanap na kung saan pwedeng lumipat, etc. Yan, nagsa-search na sa online. Yan, nakakita tayo ng mga ganun. And, tell me about messages pagdating sa career for Virgo, please. Messages pagdating sa career. Okay, for some of you, may mga offer na dumadating, and dadating pa lang, yung iba dumating na. So be careful about this offer. There's this poison. So this is a toxic offer or hindi magandang offer. No, it looks like an apple, pero katulad nga sa kwentong Snow White, ano? Remember yung mga nakakaalam diyan ng istorya ng Snow White. It's like you are being the Snow White here. Napakabait pong tao, napakaganda mong tao, no? Hindi sa itsura, pero as a person, and so, sa pakikipagkapwa-tao mo. And then, may mga tukso or may offer na ibibigay sa'yo. It looks so beautiful, it looks so pretty like an apple, pero pag kinagat mo, ikaw pala ang kawawa, ikaw ang mahihirapan, ikaw ang mamamatay. Parang ganun. But not necessarily patay na death, ano? But rather, this is an offer na parang hindi mo siya dapat paniwalaan. And nakakita tayo dito ng anxiety. Yan. And this would cause you a lot of panic, this is an offer that would scare you a lot. Kung natatakot ka about this offer, high chance na dapat hindi mo talaga siya i-accept. Why? Kasi yun na yung body mo, yun na yung body language mo, yun na yung yung parang sign sa'yo. May kutob ka, kinakabahan ka, ayaw mo tanggapin, then high chance that this offer is really not good for you. Okay, hindi talaga maganda yung offer. Yun yung message. So, be careful dito sa offer kasi it's too good to be true. Especially if it's too good to be true. Hindi yun dapat tanggapin. Okay? There's this tragic or extreme. Ayan, this is drastic. Mabilisang maybe change or mabilisang Alam mo yun, right after, eto wag mo nang patagalin. Hindi mo na kailangan aralin, masdan yung offer na yon. Doon pa lang sa mismong, maybe konti pa lang yung kaalaman mo doon sa offer na yon. Tapos na hinala mo na, may nagkaroon ka na agad ng hinala, wag mo na agad tanggapin. Yun lang yun, okay? And once na nagkahinala ka, hindi mo na kailangan patagalin o baka naman, alam mo yon yung baka naman, ay hindi, baka pwede pa naman ganito, ganyan. Wag na, dun pa lang sa nag-isip ka na ng baka naman, the first time na mag-isip ka ng baka naman, ganito, ganyan, baka ganito, ganyan, yung may mga ganon, hindi na siya dapat agad tanggapin. Okay? And that is your spirit guides, kinakalabit ka, sinishake ka, hoy, wag, ganon. And what will happen in the near future? Mamaya tayo dun. Ito na yung challenge kasi actually for you eh. But, tell me more about the challenges for the sign of Virgo. Okay, the challenge for you is marami ano? Wait lang. The challenge for you is pakikipag-usap sa maraming tao. I feel like there's this mabilisang pangyayari or mabilisang action or mabilisang dapat gawin, nakausapin itong mga taong ito. Like ito na yung tamang time and you have to move fast. Ika nga ano, yun yung challenge sa'yo, how to move fast, paano maging mabilis, paano, you do have your children, so I feel like may mga tao sa childhood memories mo, there's this childhood memories with these people, na parang magugulat ka na lang dito sa pagdating ng mga taong ito. Okay? And I feel like this person these people are not being honest. Hindi sila nagiging tapat or totoo, or vice versa. Pwedeng ikaw ito hindi magiging tapat or totoo sa kanila. So that is a challenge. That is the challenge. Kung paano maging mabilis ang pakikipag-usap dito sa mga taong to at gaano ito. Ano ang magiging, I feel like, anong magiging rason? No, yun yung challenge. Ano yung magiging rason? Kumbaga, ano yung magiging rason mo sa kanila or vice versa? Ano magiging rason nila sa'yo? And what will happen in the future for you, dear Virgos? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. For the sign of Virgo, career, reading, please, money reading. In the near future, you do have here intervention, rescue, others involved, journal. In the near future, recalling is here, racing is here, and tragedy. Aray, wait lang. May kumagat lang sa akin na insekto. I want to get more messages about this in the near future for the sign of Virgo. You do have your receipt. Denial is here. And lockdown. Bounty hunter. May mga bagay kang pilit iiwasan, lalayuan, and you will try to deny this stuff, no? But it's hard kasi nakikita nila sa'yo. So mahirap i-deny. And for what I can see here, there's this tragedy here. There's this problem na parang pilit na iniiwasan in the near future. So high chance yung iba sa inyo, the offer is already accepted, has already accepted, or pwedeng andito na, nangyayari na sa yung paghihirap, ganyan. But I feel like in the near future, may mga sitwasyon na ikaw lang yung makakagawa ng paraan para makalayo or makaalis doon. No? Ikaw lang yung makakagawa ng paraan para makalayo at makaalis doon sa sitwasyon na yun. Ikaw lang. Now, tell me about this. You do have here embarrass, so this would cause you na para ikaw ay mahiya So, parang kaya hindi ka makaalis sa situation dahil ikaw ay nahihiya, hindi mo masabi, hindi mo maamin. And this will be very, kaabang-abang. For some of you, medyo nandito ka na sa, alam mo yun, kumbaga sa isang pelikula, ito na yung pinaka main event ng buhay mo. Now, I'm telling you right now, Virgos, for some of you, challenge ka na ng buong buhay mo, naranasan mo na yung challenges, big challenges. Pero this is the biggest challenge for you. And kailangan mong maghanda. Kailangan mong maghanda. Kailangan mong, kumbaga kasi sa isang pelikula, ito na yung, especially if, hindi ako mag-aano ha, pero yung iba sa inyo, especially if your age is nasa middle ka na, nasa gitna ka na, 30, 40s, ganyan, mid-age, medyo ito na yung pinaka, mahirap, sabihin na natin, na challenge, na kaya nga sinasabi natin kaabang-abang eh. Kumbaga sa pelikula, ito na, nandito na sa patayan na part eh. No? So, ito na talaga. Ito na yung pinakamahirap na maaaring maranasan mo. So, after this, yung iba sa inyo, you do have your plug-in. May mga tao in the past na kailangan mong kumonect sa kanila, kailangan mong kapalan yung mukha mo. And this could be family, yung iba sa inyo, yung iba people from the past. Ang kailangan mong kumonect sa kanila, gawin yung mga hindi mo dapat ginagawa or hindi mo kayang gawin in the past pero ngayon makakaya mo. Yun nga, maybe yung iba yung kapalan yung mukha. And tell me about the future, in the future, for the sign of Virgo, please. In the future, you do have your hamster wheel. There's a big change. Wow. There's a big change. You do have your single. You have wow, guys. I didn't expect this. Clarify the single. Escapade is here. Oh, wow. And pressure cooker. If you are guilty na ikaw ay nagsinungaling dito sa mga taong to, I'm seeing you right now na usaping pelikula ha. Ikaw yung bida kontra bida. Nakakatawa, no? Kasi I feel like malulusutan mo ito kung ano man ito. There's a big change happening for you. Bida kontra bida. So in the past, pwedeng ikaw yung bida. Tapos dahil sa mga nangyari sa iyo, may naging kontrabida ka. But nakikita natin na hindi, ikaw pa rin ang bida eh. So malulusutan mo to. You know what I mean? And I feel like with the pressure cooker, you do have your ready to explode. Let's clarify this. Gossip is here. Lost is here. And let's clarify the lost. Pag-uusapan ka ng lahat, guys. Pag-uusapan ka ng maraming tao. You do have your focus eyes for you watching and fascinated. Marami ang magigimbal. Marami ang magugulat sa mga susunod na mangyayari sa'yo after nito. I feel like after this drama, marami ang magugulat. Bakit? You do have your waves, Verge. Someone in your past is coming back. Yung iba sa inyo ha, may mga past energy, past people ang babalik sa buhay mo. Yan. And it's like tama lang yung timing na nangyayari sa iyo ngayon. Whatever is happening to you right now, parte yan ng buhay. Of course, yung buhay napakamakulay, ano. Hindi yan pwedeng laging rainbow. Minsan may black din, ganon. And in the near future for you. Yes. This is so very beautiful actually. Nakakita tayo dito ng You do have your final. Alam mo, ito is supposed to be a negative card because it's divorce. It's final. Pero the way I see this, it's a very beautiful card. It's a very beautiful card. Why? Kasi nakikita natin ito as something na itong pangyayaring ito sa buhay mo, very memorable. At hindi lang ikaw ang makakaalala nito. So this will mark in history. Kumbaga yung mga taong involved dito, hindi nila makakalimutan itong experience na to. And nakikita natin, you do have your divine masculine. And the grip. You know, this is a very beautiful combination of cards. And this is you with the divine masculine. Pinakita mo yung tapang mo, yung lakas mo. And nakikita natin with the grip, nakakaya mo. Alam mo, makikita mo there's a man there na, kumbaga sa isang nagji-gym, no? And sa buhay mo, maaaring tinraining ka eh. Tinraining ka. Of course, yung training sa buhay mo magiging mahirap, pero magpapalakas ito sa'yo. And then soon enough, of course, can you see mag-concentrate ka doon sa body ha. This body is like, masculine pa rin naman, yung maraming muscles. But this one is iba. Medyo mas lumakas, mas lumaki, mas naging, alam mo yon, alam mong naging mas sanay. And kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, there's this financial support na dadating sa'yo. So I can see na maaaring magkaroon ng level up, spiritual awakening and pagle-level up for you in the near future. Yun na nakikita natin yan. So, kaabang-abang yung mga mangyayari sa susunod. Okay? So, pero makakayanan mo lahat ng ito. And the last card, actually, hindi ko to nakuha. Pero nakakita tayo dito ng nightlife. And nightlife, actually, this is something very beautiful. Kasi bakit? Nandyan yung happiness eh. Nandyan yung happiness. So, kung ano man itong iti-take mo ng risk, and I am seeing some of you taking this risk in the near future, pero nakikita natin na magbubunga ng mas maganda ito para sa'yo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.